Top of the morning to everybody. We are here in the beautiful downtown Chicago, walking along the Chicago River. Get a little walk in, try to get my blood flowing. We got a lot going on today. Taking the kids to the Museum of Science and Industry.
You are all standing in the petty officers' quarters. Those are mid-ranking men, and they would have a little less space than what we're in because this whole wall was also bunk beds. But also something wild to understand, this vessel is actually over capacity. Its capacity was 48 people, and they had 59 on board.
Is that everybody?
That's all.
I'm going to close the door. This is also a historic elevator. Let's come a little closer so there's room for everybody.
Modern coal mining standards require maximum safety for the miner, and roof bolting is the most effective technique, permanently secure environment than former methods of roof support.
So that roof bolter is invented in 1948. We're going to take a step back to talk about things in the 1930s. And it replaces those three machines from the other room. This was invented in the 1950s.